like this room because it was made by SoundHub so that we could simulate what it's like in a completely normal average living room. It's very important, for example, with books and so on, because books and curtains and soft surfaces, they all affect the way the acoustics are from a loudspeaker, and it also affects how you're listening to it and the quality of the sound. Okay, what we're going to do here is connect the STEENSSEN product with Bluetooth, and we're looking for it coming up here. Here we are, STEENSSEN audio. Click. Connected. Now we're ready to go.